Hey everyone, my tip today is how to view and withdraw connections that you send to people in the LinkedIn network. So let's get started. Let me share my screen and go to my LinkedIn profile. So I go to the home page on my profile and then I click on my network right at the top and it pulls up invitations. You'll see invitations on the right hand side and it says I currently have 62. So these invitations refer to people that have invited me to either connect or join an event or subscribe to their newsletter, etc., etc. But today we're going to focus on invitations that you or I have sent to other people. So let me click on the see all 62. So that's what you do. You go to invitations and then you click on see whatever the number is in the top right hand corner. Click on that. And then it'll pull up the number of invitations you've sent. Okay. So you see received and you see sent under manage invitations. So you see manage invitations on the top left hand corner and then you see received and sent. So focus on the sent invitations. So I've sent invitations to 125 people. So I can scroll all the way down and see when my earliest invitation was, and maybe I can start right over there because I believe if it's been more than a couple of months, there's no point continuing to keep that invitation. Either the person does not want to connect with you, or they're not active on LinkedIn, and maybe it's not worth keeping that invitation request going. So let me look. So I have invitations. I think my oldest invitation is, oh my gosh, 10 months ago. So it was someone who had also registered for an event that I had attended. I like her profile, but I'm going to withdraw her invitation. So I'm going to click on withdraw. And then it tells me if you withdraw now, you won't be able to resend to this person for up to 3 weeks. But I'm going to go ahead and withdraw that invitation. Okay. And so it removes the person from my list. So you can regularly clean up the invitations you send to people. This is, if you look in the top right hand corner under send, because I host a lot of LinkedIn events, there are people that I've invited to the various events I've hosted and they haven't yet accepted my invitation and the events are passed. So if I have now the 22,000, which is huge, now I could start cleaning that up and withdrawing it. I'm not sure at what point LinkedIn caps this and they're like, oh gosh, she's got over 22,000 invitations sent to people for events and they haven't accepted that. Maybe she cannot send any more invitations. So I have to look into that. But if I had the time, I could also look at the invitations that people are not accepting and maybe not invite them to similar events in the future, right? Anyway, so this is a bird's eye view or a quick explanation on how you can view and withdraw invitations to people that you send connection requests to on LinkedIn. Thank you so much for watching my video. As always, if you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. Thanks so much. Bye and have a fabulous day.